Acknowledge, of course, the presence of everybody here. Sa atong mga mayor na naadiri karon sa 1st District o sa 2nd District, uban sila mga vice mayor, sa mga konsihal, sa atong mga board members, provincial board members that are here with us on stage, together with our Vice Governor Alan Lin, atong mga national light agencies na ako diri, ang mga PGLDN employees, of course, my family, akong ate, who I have learned so much from, Undersecretary Fatima Alia Quibranza Limaporo. Akong kapatid, kauban sa Congress, napatabang kaayos ako dito, in session namo, as a kalapid diri sa probinsya, atong 1st District Congressman Kali Quibranza Limaporo. Atong inahan diri sa lalawigan sa Lanao del Norte, everybody loves, we all love, syempre, ako ang mga isuon, ako iyang mga anak, si Governor Angking Quibranza Limaporo. I-acknowledge na natong bisita. Former Senator Manny Pacquiao, welcome to Lanao del Norte, Provincial Governor. Murag nagamatanag yun ang tananay. No. Na-excite na, ibayad na mga tao. Igawas na inyong mga cellphone. Pero unya, ang storya man po na siya, no? Ang last, syempre, na the one that I haven't acknowledged, but the most important, and our governor highlighted it also, the reason for the unity and peace in our province. Former Congressman Abdullah B. Limaporo. Pagkasubok pa lang ako, lingkod na ako as congresswoman, my biggest challenge was to be able to fill the shoes of ako mga pamilya. No? But I did not hesitate, I wasn't scared, kaya sila man yun gagayad sa ako everyday. Sa 1st District, gusto na ko siya ipa-duplicate. Kung unsay sinabuhat ni Congressman Kali, gusto ko na kukuha sa 2nd District. So in my first term pa lang, ang mga barangay sa mga coastal municipalities, ipabuhat na ako tanan o multi-purpose building, labaw na kay sila ang mga flood-prone areas. Sugod sa first year na ako, naka-turn over na ako og 19 ka multi-purpose building. Ongoing na karon ang 27 multi-purpose buildings. So for next year, na po 23 ka na multi-purpose buildings para sa 2nd District. And that is because I was challenged by my brother, si Congressman Kali. Sa 1st District, tanan barangay, muna ang iyang gusto, multi-purpose building, and I did the same also in the 2nd District. No? Sa atong amahan, daghan taas kayo ang mission niya sa Lanao del Norte. I continued and would like to continue his legacy, especially when it comes to education. Naapod mga school buildings na i-turn over na ako dito sa DepEd, and I'm very thankful to have our mayors very supportive in terms of the implementation. For example, in the municipalities of Lala, Kapatagan, Sapat, Salvador, Sultan Naga Limaporo have not given DepEd any problems when it comes to the implementation. So, pas-pas po na pagbuhan na. Another issue that Congressman Abdullah had is the protection sa atong mga environment. Mauna dito sa Congress, pinag-refile na po ang iyahang mga bills. Sa pag-amendot sila ang mga bills, what I can do is refile it and hope that it will pass through Congress and also Senate. Murag duha na kabuok ang bills na kapasara sa Senate when it comes to the environmental safety and security and protection of 2 municipalities in the 2nd District. No? And then, ganina po, nakastorya akong ate ako, si Yusek Alia. Nakalimot niya ay siya announce ganina na ay satellite office ang DSWD na ibutan sa Pantal. No? And that will make everything easier in Lanao del Norte. Nato mga distributions nato, mas duol na. And that's also with the help of our Governor Angking. So, as a family, we are all working together because the aim is for the 2040 vision now. We have accomplished the 2020 vision, which former Congressman Abdullah has set for all of us. reported vision, we are working even harder. But I must emphasize na diligently mahitabo kung wala ka nakasugod sa peace and unity, which is what was fostered by Congressman Abdullah, the unity and the peace of the people. Kaya kung kita tanan, wala ka nakasinabot, wala'y mahimo o mga development, wala'y mahimo o mga projects. Maglisod ta og build o mga dalan o mga building, magbuhat o mga programs if wala na makasinabot. But because for the years of building the peace and unity, and with the help of our leaders from the mayors to the barangay captains to the SP, he was able to develop and secure the peace and unity in our province. Now in the next generation, me, Khalid, Aliyah, what we have learned from our parents, we can focus on the development of the province. And that is where the aggressive development comes into place, and now we can look forward to more programs and more distributions sa ating mga tao dito sa Lanao del Norte to become what we seek for it to be in 2040. So, dili na lang ko sa akong speech, kaya gusto ko makaminaw sa atong the man who put the Philippines on the map because of being an athlete, no? I think we can all agree that we highly respect mga athletes, especially when it comes to representing the Philippines. O tungod sa iyaka na ilagod yun ang Philippines sa tibuok world, no? And in closing, I would just like to wish congratulations sa atong governor for a very successful 65th Araw ng Lanao. Kung wak mo kaila sa akong mama, grabe dyan siya mo trabaho. Siya mismo mo ato sa mga programs sa Butanaw kung okay ba tanan. Nakaplano na ba tanan? Okay ba ang mga bisita? Kumusta naman ang mga tao? Kumusta ang mga mayors? Yung anak dyan siya kubihan. I think is that the term? Kubihan? Kubihan ba? Kubihan? Kubihan. Yung anak ka detail akong mama. And she wants to make sure that everything runs smoothly in her last araw ng Lanao del Norte as the provincial governor. Siguro what I would like to say is, we will not forget, of course, the legacies put forth by our inahan and amahan here sa Lanao del Norte. It is something that has been planted, and it is something that we will make sure together as the people in Lanao del Norte to see to it that their visions for the province will be implemented and will be met. So again, congratulations to everybody and a happy Araw ng Lanao del Norte sa tanan.